Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Excel sheets work. Let's start with the fundamental structure. An Excel sheet is essentially a grid, organizing your data into rows and columns. The intersection of a row and a column forms a cell, which is the basic unit for data entry. Each cell has a unique address, like a 1 or B5, allowing you to precisely reference specific data points. You can input various data types, including numbers, text, and dates, into these cells. Now, let's dive into the power of formulas and functions. Formulas are expressions that perform calculations, always starting with an equal sign. They use cell references to manipulate data. Functions are predefined formulas that simplify complex calculations. For instance, the sum function quickly adds a range of numbers, while the average function calculates the mean of your selected values. Mastering these tools allows for dynamic and efficient data analysis. Effective data organization and formatting are crucial for clarity. You can sort your data to arrange it alphabetically or numerically, making it easier to find specific entries. Filtering allows you to display only specific subsets of information, hiding irrelevant data temporarily. Conditional formatting automatically highlights cells based on rules you set, drawing attention to important trends. Using tables also significantly enhances data management and analysis capabilities. Finally, let's explore how to visualize your data with charts. Charts are powerful tools that visually represent your information, making complex data much easier to understand at a glance. Bar charts are excellent for comparing discrete categories, while line charts effectively show trends over continuous periods. For illustrating parts of a whole, pie charts are a clear choice. Visualizing your data helps in identifying patterns and insights quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.